Class 9th NCERT Math exercise 10.1. Question number first, fill in the blanks. The center of a circle lies in इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्किल. एक्सटीरियर और इंटीरियर. इंटीरियर सर्किल जब भी लाई करता है वो इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्किल में. उसके बाद ए पॉइंट्स हुज डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्किल इज ग्रेटर देन रेडियस लाइज इन द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द सर्किल. क्या कर रहा है? द पॉइंट हुज डिस्टेंस from the center of the circle is greater than its radius lies in the exterior of the circle. कैसे इसको हम लोग समझते हैं? यहाँ पर कह रहा है कि a points whose distance from the center of the circle. a point है जो distance from the center of the circle is greater than its radius. suppose ये एक point है a और this one is the radius. This one is the radius of the circle and this one is the distance between the center of the circle and the point which is the exterior of the circle is the greater. This distance is the greater than the radius of the circle. So the point lies on the exterior of the circle. Here a point whose distance from the center of the circle is greater than its radius lies in the exterior of the circle. Third one, the longest chord of the circle is a diameter of the circle. It is obvious as I have discussed in the previous class. क्या है? The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. The longest chord of the circle is the diameter of the circle. Fourth, an arc is a dash when its end are the ends of a diameter. An arc is a semicircle. जब दो पॉइंट्स एंड ऑफ द डायमीटर पे लाई करता है तो वो क्या बनाता है? सेमी सर्किल. तो क्या है यहाँ पे? एन आर्क इज अ सेमी सर्किल व्हेन इट्स एंड आर द एंड्स ऑफ द डायमीटर. फिफ्थ, segment of the circle is the region between an arc and the chord of the circle. segment क्या होता है? region covered between the arc and the chord of the circle. So the segment of a circle is the region between the arc and the chord of the circle. Sixth, a circle divides the plane on which it lies in three parts. थ्री पार्ट कौन कौन सा हो गया? इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्किल एंड एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द सर्किल. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स गिविंग रीजन फॉर योर आंसर. लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइनिंग द सेंटर टू एनी पॉइंट्स ऑन अ सर्किल इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्किल. इट इज ट्रू बिकॉज द लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइनिंग द सेंटर से ज्वाइनिंग द सेंटर टू एनी पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्किल इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्किल. Line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Any point, this is the circle. Any point, suppose this is the other point, this is B. Joining the center to the any point on the circle is radius. It is true. Another, this is the center and any other point on the circle. This is C. This is also the radius. This is also the radius. This is also the radius. This is center of the circle and D. Point D on the circle. So it is the radius of the circle. Question number 2. A circle has only finite number of equal chord. It is false. Why it is false? A circle has infinite number of equal chord. How it is infinite number of equal chord? This is a circle and infinite number of equal chord. This is the chord AB. This also the equal chord CD. It may be the equal. This is also the chord CE. It is also the equal. It means we can say this is also the equal chord. This is also the equal chord CDE, F, G. All are the equal chord. So we can say that a circle has infinite number of equal chords because all the chords are in equal length. so many equal chords are in the circle, or we can say this is also the equal chord. Okay, so what is the reason? A circle has only finite number of equal chords, so it is false. What is the correct statement? A circle has infinite number of equal chord. A circle has infinite number of इक्वल कोड, बहुत सारा इक्वल कोड हो सकता है जिसकी की गिनती हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट थर्ड, इफ अ सर्किल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री इक्वल arc, each is a major arc? No, each is not a major arc. someone कोई छोटा आर्क भी होगा, कोई बड़ा भी हो सकता है, कोई दो छोटा भी हो सकता है, एक बड़ा भी हो सकता है. सो इट इज द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ, ए कोड ऑफ अ सर्किल विच इज twice as long as its radius is a diameter of the circle. Yes, it is true. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is chord. So this is circle, a chord, this is the chord and this is the center of the circle. A chord which is twice the radius of the circle is a chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is the diameter of the circle. Yes, it is the diameter of the circle. This is the r, this is also r. A chord, this is the chord and which is equal to the twice of the radius of the circle. This is the twice of the radius of the circle, so we can say that this will be the radius. So this statement is true. Next, question number fifth, sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. Sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. It is false statement. What is the correct statement? A sector is a region between the arc and the radius of the ends of the arc. Okay, क्या है कि arc sector क्या होता है? This is circle and suppose this is arc A and B is the arc. This is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. ये the line joining the center of the circle and ends point of the arc. Region between these are the sector of the circle. Region between these are the sector of the circle. What is the circle? Sorry, what is the sector? The region between an arc. Region between an arc. This one is the arc. The region between an arc and the two radii joining. Two radii. This is the one radii and this is another radii. This is radii. Radius. Plural form of radius is radii. There are two radii. The region between the arc. The region between the arc and the radii joining the center of the circle to the ends point of the arc is called the sector. So this statement is false. Sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. It is false statement. Sixth, a circle is a plane figure. Yes, it is the plane figure because we can draw it on the plane. But sphere is not a plane figure. Sphere is a 3D picture. If sphere is a 3D figure having length, breadth and height. But in the circle only two dimension is there. So we can say the circle is a plane figure. We can draw it in a plane, but we cannot draw the football. Football is the sphere. We cannot draw the sphere on a plane mirror. But just only हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दिखा सकते हैं. Exactly हम लोग ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो ए सर्किल इज अ प्लेन फिगर. इट इज ट्रू. आप इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के बीच ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.